What happened in Agago district yesterday was very interesting. To begin with, the organizing committee for the coronation of Ruat Casemiro in Agago district had invited the president of the National Unity Platform to be part of the visitors in that function. Supposedly, someone tipped Bosmig team of that development. Bosmig, being the opportunistic man you know he is, went to a very influential person in the government and collected some money to go and distract or to go and stop Bobby Wine from attending the function. But what was interesting was that when it came to the time of the coronation, he was ashamed. He was ashamed. People rejected him. How did that start? The committee, through the MP aspirant, woman MP aspirant, called Megowin Ukidi, invited Bobby Wine. I think Megowin Ukidi, who is also very vocal in the politics of northern Uganda, had used this opportunity to bring Bobby Wine to Agago district.
We don't want Bobby Wine.
It was really very painful.
We don't want Bobby Wine.
That people were given money.
We don't want Bobby Wine.
And stop Bobby Wine.
We don't want Bobby Wine.
Border borders were given 50,000 shillings.
We have
not.
So many reasons.
Market women were given
so
50,000 shillings, not 20,000, 10,000.
Today
money was given to whoever was available, just
Bobby
to
Wine
go and stop
is
Bobby
not
Wine.
welcome.
But was it a success? No. Bobby Wine was even in Dubai. I think you guys saw how Bobby Wine was welcomed with Kapere in Dubai. Bobby Wine enjoys the love of the people for only one reason. He speaks the mind of the people. He speaks for the torture which is unleashed on the people of Uganda without fear. That is why he is loved. Bosmig team cannot compare himself with Bobby Wine because he is a demagogue. He is an opportunistic man. He takes advantage of any opportunity. That's why last time I was telling the musicians of northern Uganda, don't run after anybody. There are people who are opportunists. And I'm happy that some musicians have realized and they are no longer running after him. So guys, what happened next? To let you know that the Chief Justice of Uganda was present in that function. When the MC tried to maybe bring him on board, bring Bosmig on board, maybe to greet people, entertain or sing something, maybe something to the people who are present, I think a very big voice from above came and stopped the MC. What I gathered from there is that the man got annoyed. The man got out of the place, left the place, entered his vehicle and went away. Because he wanted to use that opportunity to abuse Bobby Wine. He wanted to use that opportunity to promote the politics of divide and rule. But the people of Agago did not give him that opportunity. I want to thank the people who were present in that function for not being used. I want to thank you so much. You see, this is a time where if you are not having the brain to differentiate propaganda from reality, you are going to be misled, and by the time you realize, you will be long gone. I posted a video immediately yesterday asking the people of Acholi who gave Bosmig the mandate to speak for the people of Acholi. Who? And it brought a very big controversy on social media. Up to now, that video is inviting a lot of debate. And I want to say, the debate is very, very, very important. Why? We should not bring tribal politics into this. All of you are so much aware of what happened in Uganda during the time of Amin, between the Acholi people and the Lao people, just because of tribalism. Why should we continue with this? Because I want to tell you guys, today, Bosmik is still stopping Bobby Wine from coming to northern Uganda, to Acholi or to Agago. But I want to tell you, if we look at the population grid of Uganda, the Acholis are number 8. We are number 8. Now, if by any chance we start promoting tribalism, and yet we know for sure there are many Acholi people who are working in the region of Buganda, and they are living in harmony. If one day this tribal conflict goes far, it can turn into bloodshed. That is why some of us are struggling to stop this forthwith, to stop this from the beginning. I want to tell my Buganda friends that I have also lived in Buganda for some time now. I know people are good everywhere. Everyone treats you the way they are treated. I want to call for calm. The comments I am seeing on my video, where people are abusing themselves, exchanging words, is not called for. Why are we so distracted? We are leaving the main goal. Let us not focus on tribal issues, asking who did this for you, what did Bobby Wine do for you, what did Musa. Let us leave that. Let us focus on the main goal. That is to come out of this victorious. Let us come out of this victorious. I have always told you guys that not everyone will make it to see a new Uganda. But the people who will make it to see a new Uganda will testify. People who fought for this will be known. That is why there are people up to now who can never be forgotten in the history of Uganda. People of like Janani Luwum, a bishop from the land, a bishop from northern Uganda, who spoke in the face of adversity during the Amin regime, and told Amin exactly that, don't kill the people of Uganda. Who could say that during that time? That is the same time we are in now. Very few people can talk against this government, but some of us have taken it like a risk. We don't mind what they will do. We don't care what they want to do. But we will stand firm and speak the truth. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and may God bless you.